You're trying to build a portfolio, but nobody's giving you work to actually build it with, right? Okay, here's the thing. Waiting for people to hand you work is a terrible strategy. You've got to go out and make it happen yourself. You need to show people what you can do, not wait for them to ask. Here's what I would do in your shoes. 1. Create your own projects. Don't wait for clients to create your own. Build mock-up ads for businesses you want to work with. Pick industries or brands you think you can crush. Design 5 to 10 different meta ad campaigns for them and put them in your portfolio. Make them look real. Get creative. This shows initiative and shows your skill. And guess what? You can leverage these to approach the businesses you want to work with. Pro tip: if you build 5 ads for, say, a local gym, you now have something tangible to show when you pitch them. You're not saying, "Hey, I can make ads." You're saying, "Check out these ads I built for a gym, just like yours." Makes it way easier to get the conversation going. 2. Find smaller businesses local or online and pitch. You're not gonna land big clients right away, and that's okay. Start small. Look for local businesses that might need meta ads: restaurants, e-commerce stores, service providers. Don't wait for them to come to you. Pitch them directly. Tell them you'll run ads for them for free or a super discounted rate in exchange for a testimonial and permission to use the results in your portfolio. You're giving them a low-risk way to test your service while you're getting real-world experience. This is how you build your reputation. 3. Leverage freelance platforms. I know, people hate freelance platforms, but they're a quick way to get started and can help you build momentum. Find entry-level projects on places like Upwork or Fiverr. Take anything you can get to get your foot in the door. Even if you don't make a ton of money, you get feedback and real experience that you can use. Once you land a couple of smaller gigs, you'll start getting better gigs. 4. Reach out to your network. Do you have anyone in your circle who runs a business or works at one? Maybe you know someone who needs help with ads but hasn't thought to ask for it. Hit them up directly and offer your services. You'd be surprised how many people are open to a deal when you present it as a win for them. People love saving money or getting something for free, especially if they're already in your network. 5. Leverage social media. Start showing your work off. Post your ad campaigns on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter. Share what you're learning. Don't be afraid to be a little brash about it. Tell people you're offering ads for a discounted rate to build your portfolio. People will respect your hustle. If your stuff looks good, you'll start to attract attention. Focus on being visible. So, in short, stop waiting around for clients to find you. You need to take action and show people what you can do. Don't use any music.